Hi guys, welcome back again to the conclusion of vinegar to clean the coolant system of the Ford Courier, and yeah, just some maintenance work. I've been having a terrible clutch, and on this clutch master reservoir I've drained and purged the system probably 6 times, and it doesn't matter. 2 days later, brand new brake fluid goes black. So I'm going to change this master cylinder. I've also got terrible clutch, so sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And these models, they've got a nice, very simple clutch system. So there's not much that can be wrong with it. It's either the clutch or the master or the slave. But I know that I have replaced the slave cylinder not too long ago. So, and you can see it actuates, it works well. So right. Oh yeah, and then the actual thing that I meant to do today is to drain the fluids. See in there, can we see in there, more or less see in there, that the system is clean, clear. So I've just been driving, so I'll take this slowly. Well, I've let it cool off a while. Yeah, haha, delicious. But that's crystal clean. So I mean, as far as what the vinegar in water to clean out oil that's been stuck in the system, that works amazing. Here you can still see a little bit stuck to the plug, but I'm happy. I mean, that's clean. So I'll be draining the system and replacing it with antifreeze. Right, the new unit is in. I had to call in some reinforcements to push it up on this side so that I could balance the pin and the cup on the inside. But now that it's there, it's in. So I'm first going to open up at the bottom. I'm going to drain the line completely, connect it, and then I'll bleed it, and that will be complete. Drain the fluids, and I also noticed my clutch pedal is a little bit loose, and I still know there's a bit of play there, and there's just a nut that looks like needs to be tightened. So yeah, awesome. All right, that's a clutch and a sandwich done and dusted. At first I thought I had some air in the line, so I just purged it again, but I didn't have it set enough under the dashboard, so I've just let it cool off 10 minutes, and now I'm going to drain the fluids and replace it with some green antifreeze, because the bucky is blue and blue and green go together. What do you think? I forgot I saved this. Brake fluid shouldn't be that color, should it? You can actually see how it's like leaving a residue. So yeah, I know you can service these kits, but time is money. Time is money. The system, this is how much still came out. Took me a while to fucking get the airlock out. But if you use the right type of rubber hose, screw out the bleeding nipple all the way, and if you seat this properly, then you get a good vacuum on the line. But now I do still have air in it, so I'm just going to purge this and then pull it through and see where the air is. So I'm pretty sure if I start it now and put it into gear, it's going to go forwards or backwards. Let's not do that. Well, that's that in a nutshell. Tighten the clutch pinion down on the inside. I've got good clutch, set it. I'll take it for a test drive now. My fluid's almost done draining. I know you can pour it in by hand, but I don't have a funnel, and I like the siphon thing because while I'm busy doing other things like putting clamps on the bypass of the oil filter water cooler, I can just let that siphon, and then the last bit I'll throw in by hand, and then I've got got no spillage. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for joining us. I see we've reached 40 followers, and that is fantastic. Welcome to the most mixed and varied page or channel that you would probably find out there, I guess. Within normal realms, of course. Anyways, have a fantastic day.